Hey Rob, I was just reading this article on Yahoo about Tier 4 COVID rules.
Yeah.
It says that we've got 44 million people in Tier 4 here in the UK, which is 78% of the population.
Oh, wow, okay.
And then it talks about the different rules for Tier 4, and it's got some simple rules.
Yeah.
So let me read them to you. So it says no household mixing is allowed, which is fine. We haven't been doing that. One person can meet one other person outside in a public space. That means we can still meet up with Steve and Martin to walk around. So that's good. No, all non-essential shops and businesses must close, including personal care and indoor entertainment, which doesn't really affect us. Nobody can enter or leave Tier 4 areas, so we probably need to let Danielle know.
Yeah.
This is probably not a great time.
No, for sure.
What is it? Residents must not stay overnight away from home. Support bubbles, formerly known as linked households, remain. So that's good for people that need the support bubble. And then people who need to travel for childcare or education can still travel, so that's good. The good news for us, exercise is unlimited. That means when we go take our daily walks, that's not going to be a problem. So that's great.
Excellent.
And then where people cannot work from